Okay, today we're going to be doing one of my absolute favourites. It's Chilli Lamb Curry. Let's get to it. Here's all you're going to need for this. Your pre-cooked lamb, ginger garlic paste, black mustard seeds, a mixed spice here. We have a tablespoon of our mixed powder, a teaspoon of garam masala, coriander, half a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of kasuri methi leaves, and 2 teaspoons of extra hot chili powder. Here we have, this is coconut milk powder. Don't use desiccated, couldn't even say it then, desiccated coconut milk, because the desiccated doesn't dissolve in the curry. It leaves it very grainy, so make sure you get the milk powder. This dissolves in lovely. We have some chopped spring onion for garnish, chopped coriander leaves, a small cinnamon stick, half a chopped onion, a chopped lemon here for seasoning to counteract with the sweetness, and 3 red finger chilies. Okay, first up, heat, medium, 2 tablespoons, chef's spoons of vegetable oil. Let that warm up. And now that's warmed up, you add your cinnamon stick, and about a teaspoon or more of your black mustard seeds. I'm going to cook these for about a minute and a half, let all the natural aromas come out of these. Yeah, I've only ever had this in one restaurant all my life. It's the only one place I've ever seen it. It was in a restaurant in High Wycombe, near London. I loved it so much. I asked the chef for the recipe, he wouldn't give it to me, but he wouldn't write it down. He didn't want to reveal all his secrets, but he pretty much told me what to do, how he did it. I've tweaked it a little bit for my taste, and obviously to respect his recipe. But yeah, it's so nice, full of flavour. It's got a nice bit of sweetness and sour, similar to a paffia, but there's a lot more going on there. It's lovely. Okay, next in, onions and chilies. Stir that in. Do that for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, that's looking good. Next, ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Turn it in. Cook that off for about a minute. Okay, now chef's spoon tomato paste. Stir it in. Cook that up for about 2 minutes. Right, now all your spices in, don't be shy. Half a chopped coriander leaves, salt to taste, stir it in. Don't let anything burn. Add a little bit of warm water if you want, just to be on the safe side. Just keep moving it, you'll be fine. I'm going to cook like this now for about 2 minutes before all the spices out. Yeah, when you're cooking on this sort of like medium to high heat and you're not that confident, you can always just add a little touch of warm water just to make sure nothing burns, or even just a tiny little bit of your base gravy just to keep everything safe. It all cooks out in the end. Okay, 1 chef's spoon base gravy. Stir it in. Now your lamb. chicken or veg, whatever you prefer. About 7 to 8 pieces here. Get all that coated up. I'm going to cook this down now for about 4 or 5 minutes, get a little reduction. Okay, see all the oil now separating? That's a good sign, that's what you want. So now, your coconut milk powder, squeeze a lemon, just to counteract with all the sweetness, balance it out. And your last drop of base, about 1 chef spoon, ladle. Turn the heat up a little bit more for this now. Get a nice caramelisation. Get all the lumps out of that powder. It dissolves pretty quick. Okay, 4 to 5 minutes, let it all caramelise, and we are done. Have a little look at this. Look at that. Beautiful. Here we go then. Smells amazing. Get those chilies to the top. No point in them hiding away, is there? They look lovely. Coriander leaves. Some spring onion, which goes lovely with these sweet sour dishes. And there you go, chili lamb curry.